I'm working on these quick fire bundles today. They contain everything you need to get a fire going really quickly, all wrapped up in this nice cute bundle. I'll be using these in my workshop, but I think they'd be really handy for camping as well. A lot of times when I come out to my workshop, it's 20, 30 below, and I want to get a fire going as quickly as possible in my wood stove. That's why I came up with these quick fire bundles. They're really easy to make. I have this jute cloth. It's about 6 inches wide. You'll probably find this at a craft store. And I have pieces of wood, starting with bigger pieces and slowly working my way over to these really fine wood shavings I made with my hand plane. So I have about 2 feet of this jute cloth. I'm going to start with my bigger pieces, put them on the bottom in the middle. And just stack up these smaller pieces and finish it off with some wood shavings. This is basically like an upside down fire. And you just take the two ends and you wrap it really tightly together. And then to finish this off, I'm going to drizzle some hot wax over top. So even though this bundle is wrapped really tightly together, you can see there's lots of air pockets in there, which is important to get the fire started. So because everything in this bundle is flammable, I would highly recommend doing this outside if you can. It's also important to store these in an area away from any flame or spark. I have a kindling box outside my workshop that I'll be keeping these in. I let the fire go out in my wood stove on purpose. I just want to try, see how well these work. That worked quite well. Probably the most important thing is the wax. As it melts, it drips down and starts these other pieces on fire.